Hi, welcome to Angtrisha. Are you ready to dive deep into the heart of your market and unlock the secrets to success? In this video, we're going to take you on an exciting journey of DIY business analysis. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, mastering these essential techniques will empower you to make data-driven decisions, tailor your strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Understanding your market is crucial for business success. Start by identifying your target audience. Think about their age, gender, income, and cultural preferences. Use online surveys and social media polls to create detailed customer personas. Next, stay ahead of market trends. Attend local trade shows and networking events to discover what's emerging in your industry. Don't forget to assess your competitors. Analyze their strengths and weaknesses and learn from their marketing strategies and customer feedback. Cultural nuances matter too. Align your campaigns with cultural events to connect deeply with your audience. Leverage technology for data collection. Tools like analytics and CRM systems can provide invaluable insights into customer behavior. Create a clear action plan with specific objectives and timelines. Remember, business analysis isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly update your strategies to adapt to the ever-evolving market. By doing this, you position your business for long-term growth and sustainability.